cái nó về tôi sẽ chỉ mang có hai bên lụt chút là.
Yeah, bố tôi có cái nữa cứ là mong lo chế này. Tôi tao tôi nhon nó tao cổ xong lại mà lại tôi
Còn trời đéo vậy.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't let me lose hope.
Có chợ park à, chợ Disney nữa nè.
Họ lên chế.
Chợ mong Disney nè.
Cô chỉ báo cáo.
Mấy cái mong tăng cho là chợ Disney nè, mấy cái mong từ lúc từ là.
Mong ở lên nổi gió ra mong tàu cái thành bài, ý là nó ra cái.
Oh, that's it. We're at Simon's farm here, and Kia's doing some stuff back here. We're gonna go see what it is. What are you guys doing?
Stop slacking!
What are you guys doing?
Get on your A game!
Yeah, she's cutting and you gotta go pick it up. What's Grandma cutting?
This is what you and I had in Hawaii.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
the one that you're supposed to suck at it
Yes.
and chew?
You're supposed to suck on it and chew and spit it out.
Oh, có kèn luôn rồi mà.
I know. It's like natural.
Yeah, put it to ton chữ nhau. Yeah, that's it. Mulan. Okay, Mulan. That's a sharp knife that Zaman has. Very sharp.
This is HGTV Hmong channel.
This is HGTV Hmong channel. Today we are cutting sugar cane.
Corn sticks.
Oh my god.
Yo, Dad's gonna use this footage.
No. I know.
Don't pee in your pants.
I'm fucking hilarious. Why is it so dark?
I don't know. Dad likes it dark. Smell it. You can smell the sugar.
Ooh, ah.
Smell it. You can smell the sugar.
Why are there so many bugs?
Because we're in a fucking forest.
Hey guys! Oh, this is heavy.
One's for the
Pose for the thumbnail. Cody's not even in it. We have finished cutting all the sugar cane.
This is the closest he's gonna get to being a farmer boy, okay? Okay, honey, put it in the basket.
Chickens. We don't eat animals. We don't eat animals.
Yes, we do, bitch.
No, we don't.
I thought you were gonna grab
We
it.
don't eat animals, guys. We are vegan friendly. For a Hmong family, that'd be hard. But I am vegan friendly. Here is Mama Tao doing something to the sugar cane.
Oh, you're gonna cut yourself. Be careful. No, I think you cut off all the sugar cane. I think we should wait till Carol gets back. You need to stop. You need to stop, fam.
Ew, you just eat it raw?
You're supposed to, and then you just spit it out.
Yeah.
Gross.
Try it.
I don't want to.
Try it.
I don't want to.
Super sweet.
No, I don't want to.
Try it.
Ew.
It's like chewing tobacco.
Gross. Nasty.
Try, bitch.
No,
Your turn.
I don't eat that.
Tastes like paper.
What the fuck? To Ashley's channel on HGTV channel.
What are you about to eat there, Ash?
I'm about to eat a sugar cane, which Cody says tastes like paper.
Try it.
Ew, it looks weird.
Just chew it, bite it. No, you have to take the whole thing, else you're not gonna get anything. So just bite the whole thing right here off. Like, yeah, just bite it. Bite it. Bite. You gotta break it out. Okay, now chew it. You're basically sucking out the juice, the sugar.
Tastes weird. You get like a hit of sweetness in the first 2 seconds, and then once you crunch it down, it tastes like paper. It hurts though. Gross.
You're supposed to spit it out, Cap.
That's what I said.
Swallow it.
Don't swallow that. It just digests.
Ew.
Pretty good. Not enough juice.
Suck it long enough.
clear water beach.
Oh,
bên mình rằng số Sierra số ta
maybe
Beach.
maybe tao một bolu Animal Kingdom.
tàu.
Oh, maybe sampai.
Vâng.
Ít cho mấy bài. Mấy
Cho
bằng
ít
qua,
bài.
mấy bằng qua mà.
Ô sai bỏ lúc sợ từ
Thursday à,
tới giờ là it's okay.
mấy bằng qua mà.
Nhưng mà chúng mình chồng mình,
Yeah, mấy qua nhưng mà tôi thông mà.
Yeah.
Okay, thì mà.
mà chồng mình một xí,
Yeah, cho mấy món ít ra.
yeah.
Còn mà hai tay vào tôi sẽ tôi bật bài ha.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone.